What's up, card family? So, less than a week out from the card show, for me anyway. I'll be there next Thursday. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to meeting a lot of you guys. Got a couple things tonight. Got a big, major PC pickup for me. I'm a big Larry Bird fan, so this is a big deal to me, and I ain't even going to waste your time. So, I'm really fortunate to get this card. I got it at a really good deal. But it's a PSA 7, and I'm telling you, man, it's in great shape. A little off-centered left to right. Right to left, however you say that. Look at the back of this card, man. Whew. Just a beautiful card. So, Magic Johnson and Larry Bird, rookie, and a little Jules Irving in a PSA 7. So, I am proud of that pickup. But on another note, I got a baseball crate. Figured I'd share this with you guys. I ain't gonna waste a lot of your time with it. Like, you know what this is about. Try to get into it pretty quick here. Oh yeah, and I'm sipping on some Daycation IPA. That's how I roll on a Thursday night. So I've been thinking about what am I gonna try to get at this card show. Man, I have no idea. I'm not even sure. I still really want that 89 Upper Deck Griffey. Maybe I can, like, catch one of those guys that just really wants to get rid of it there and not pay an arm and a leg for it. That'd be sweet. But who knows how that'll go. So, protocol with the card crate. Got some top loaders. I'm just curious how many they gave here. So, some penny sleeves. That's nice. I needed some more penny sleeves. Look at that, thickie. And then like a couple medium ones. I'll take that. That's good stuff. And the penny sleeves are needed. Maybe it's fortuitous, and I'm going to have some great cards in here. So I got these two packs. Let's see what we got here. So we got some Pinnacle Hobby and Top Series 2. Alright, I'll send this one. You're going to have to bear with me, man. This video is not going to be short, is it? You can just feel it building up. So, Topps Finest, Topps Stadium Club, Diamond Kings, and then Pro Debut. So I think I'll start with this Pro Debut. Let's see what we got here. Who knows, man? Maybe I can get lucky and pull something really cool on camera here. Sometimes when I do this stuff off camera, I'm mad at myself because I end up pulling something really good. Jake Berber, Brendan McKay, Jaron Kendall, Taylor Trammell, Sam Howard, Dylan Cousins, Chris Holm, and Romero. Whew, that was brutal. Maybe in 5 years those guys will be something. Let me get a sip of this scissor. I'll do these Diamond Kings next. Man, I love Diamond Kings. This should be pretty sweet right here. Yeah, these are pretty. I'm a fan of these. So Ryan McMahon, it's a rookie. Oh man, sweet looking Kirby Puckett. Harry Hooper, Corey Kluber. And it's backwards. What's up, man? Dang. Victor Robles auto. And it's numbered too, dude. Check that out. 117 to 299. Victor Robles. Wow. So Little patch auto there. That's sweet, dude. That's freaking awesome. It was fortuitous. That big, thick holder, they knew it, man. Carl Furillo, I don't know who that is. Oh, dude, this was a hot pack. Little Otani. Damn. That's what's up. Shoeless Joe. Beautiful. Dude, that pack right there was sick, man. Might be the best pack I've opened in some time, man. So up next, this is the Top Stadium Club. Let's see if we can keep this going. These are pretty, man. Austin Hayes, little rookie. Trevor Bauer. Odor. Jorge Alfaro. Man, look at that. That is beautiful, dude. Look at the picture on that, man. Yeah. Sweet looking cards, man. Oh, man. A little nice looking George Springer. I wonder if this is some kind of rare print, man, with this red on here like this. It's not numbered. It's pretty sweet. Oh, man. That's a pretty card. Look at that Votto, dude. Dude, these cards are beautiful, man. That is sweet. Richard Urania. I like these sideways. Ryder Jones rookie card. Sweet. So up next, some Topps Finest. Yeah, I got some hip hop playing in the background. You know how we roll. 6 minutes. I ain't doing too bad here. Scherzer. Damn, these are nice. Man. Beltre. Machado. I wish he'd have gone to New York. Congrats on that, Pepino, man. He's a Dodger. Zara. Simmons. I don't have any kind of system going in that background. There's cards everywhere. Alright, up next is this Pinnacle. Alright, these are crappy looking to me. That's just me, though. C.J. Wilson. Dylan Vincenio. I should open these first. These look like crap. John Lester. Alan Craig. Definitely a crap pack. Little Bryce Harper action. Dude, how about that home run derby, man? That was freaking awesome. Ortiz. Ryan Express. Garrett Cole. Alright, last pack. So 2018 Series 2. I don't think I've pulled a single Yankee yet. You could just make my day if I could just pull a Yankee in here. Alright. So, Franklin Barreto. Mella. Whatever. There's a twin. Garver. Rookie card. That's cool. A little action. Cespedes. That's a cool card, dude. Walker. No Yankees, dude. Hardy. Oh, I'll take that back. Chasen Shreve. I gotta say, I don't know who he is, dude. That's unfortunate, but I don't. And then Jesse Winker. Alright, I kept it under 10 minutes. Deuces, homies.